Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to create a Ghibli image using ChatGPT in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to generate Ghibli-style picture in ChatGPT, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To create a Ghibli-style image using ChatGPT, first of all, open ChatGPT on your mobile device or computer. Once you are on the main screen, open a new chat or select an existing conversation where you want to create the image. Now, at the bottom of the screen, tap on the plus button. A pop-up will appear with different options. Select Create Image from here. Once selected, type your image prompt describing the scene you want to generate in Ghibli style in the chat box. Describe in detail and tell ChatGPT to generate the image in Ghibli style. After typing your prompt, press the Send button. ChatGPT will process your request and start generating the Ghibli style image based on your description. It usually takes a few seconds to complete. Once the image appears, you can click on it to view it in full size. If you like the image, you can download it to your device or ask ChatGPT to make adjustments, such as changing the lighting and colors.